Run! It's a stampede!
The thing that's spectacular about hooligan racing at the Buffalo Chip is that this has never happened. I mean, you know, we're gonna build a racetrack in the middle of the audience, we're gonna bomb around it, and then we're gonna clear it out in like less than an hour, and there's gonna be a concert, Five Finger Death Punch and Reverend Horton Heat. That's rock and roll.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You know, the thing about the Indian is it tracks really well through the turns. I mean, the balance is really good. It's got a lot of traction. The front end doesn't tuck a lot. Take the front brake off, reverse the shift pattern, stagger the pegs, and I feel like Bambi on ice.
You know, this process of putting this track together, Brian Bell and the guys from Ivy League, they did an insane job of getting this track together. We had a rainstorm come through that we all panicked and thought it was going to destroy the track. It made it better, it made it tacky.
It's cool to see every biker get together and love it because we're on 500-pound motorcycle racing, and I think everybody that rides motorcycles can appreciate that. You know, we're not on a 200-pound dirt bike. We're on beasts. It's kind of like the American running of the bulls. So